Everyone, right now we will be heading to the store. Today was an amazing day. We did a lot of productive stuff today, and right now we're just the only vehicles right now on the street right now. What I'm really seeing right now is that a lot of people are just wanting to take the easy way out. They're not wanting to do the challenging, difficult things, and that's why they are a step behind us. They will always be behind us because they're average. We are not average. We fear being average. And all of those people that are average and that are just slightly getting by not trying their best and by not giving their full potential, each and every single one of those individuals that are average, they are average because they are not doing the things that they fear doing. That is why they are average, because they know they do not want to do those things. They do not want to make those difficult choices. They do not want to make those difficult decisions. I'm striving every day to not be average because I am challenging myself to make sure that I'm doing all of those decisions, all of those choices that the average people fear of doing. I feel highly motivated right now to just continue to do all of those decisions, all of those choices that I used to fear doing. I feel like I am not average right now. I feel like I fear being average right now. I fear not being disciplined, and I fear of giving up. How I'm going to not be average is by me being consistent and by me not giving up. I feel extremely confident, extremely motivated, extremely disciplined, and when that dies, when that dies off and when I run out of all of that, I know that I have to be consistent, and I know that I'm not going to give up. And right now, I'm just taking action. Right now, we are headed to the store. We will be buying a few items, a couple of food to get ready for the week because I'm gonna go back to work. But that is not an issue because that is why I fear being average, because I don't want to live this lifestyle. I dislike this lifestyle, and I don't want to work a 9 to 5 my whole entire life. I know that that is not what's only for me. Do not get stuck in a life you guys don't like living. Make sure you guys are fearing of being average, because every time you guys fear of being average, you guys are only going to get better. You guys will only improve. We will be heading inside the store. You guys will see us walk in there with this camera. We will be confident. We will show the universe that we truly want this. We truly need this. We deserve this. I am consistent, and I will not give up. And I am confident in myself. We will be heading inside and showing you guys the process of us heading in there, and just overall being confident, showing the universe that we are not playing around when it comes to our dreams. We truly believe in ourselves, and I'm truly confident, and I truly know that I have to be consistent. I have to not give up, and if I just do that, there is no way it's not going to work out. It is impossible for it not to work, you understand? So right now we're just gonna be going inside the store. It is called Winco Foods. We will be heading in there, showing you guys around the store, taking you guys with us, letting know and showing the universe that we truly not only deserve this, but we want to live a better life. Serious, we're confident, and we know what we are doing, and that's it right there. So we're gonna be heading inside right now, showing you guys the process, showing you guys that we are confident, showing you guys that we are strong-minded individuals, that we do not care what anybody thinks. We do not care if a comment is said out loud, Because at the end of the day, we still have to show up the next day, shower up, work hard, do difficult things, difficult choices, difficult decisions, and we don't have time to be thinking about what was said or what was thought about us. We don't got time, we don't got energy, we don't have attention to even be spending time on that. So right now we're gonna head inside and let's go, everybody.
Water. But don't put water. Not today, right?
This is the first item right here. Coconut water. Yep.
Thank you, Billy.
Yup. Yeah, that's good. All right, everybody, as you can see, we just got done with the store. Right now we are headed home. Man. Right now, a lot of people are choosing to do the easy stuff. I'm choosing to do the difficult stuff. I will be willing to live this lifestyle. I'm going to be a responsible grown man, and it's time to lock in. It's time to really stay focused and to really achieve everything. It's time to achieve greatness. It's time to be consistent. It's time to not give up. It's time to be extremely confident, extremely relentless, extremely hyper-focused. I'm living a life I do not want to live the rest of my life. I'm living a life that I dislike, I highly dislike. I do not want to be working my whole entire life. So right now I'm going to push myself to the limits. Oh, let's show that car, let's show that car. Yo, you guys see that right there? We are grown individuals. We are grown people. It's time for us to focus. It's time for us to lock in. It's time for us to really be dedicated to ourselves and be responsible. And it's time to just work hard. It's time. Time is ticking and time is now. And right now I'm just extremely hyper focused, extremely hyper dedicated, hyper consistent. And I don't care if I have to be hyper aggressive. And if people have things to say, I don't care. Cause the next day I have to be hyper aggressive again. I see people not pushing themselves. I see people taking the easy way out. And I'm only going to get better, but it's giving me more fuel for my fire. It's giving me more motivation. I don't want to be like that. I don't want to live that life. I don't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to believe in myself by being confident, by being disciplined, by being consistent, by not giving up on myself, and knowing what I have to do. I have to do challenging, difficult things in order for me to improve, in order for me to not be average. And be grateful every day, be thankful that we could change what we dislike. You don't like the way that you look? Find some motivation, get some consistency. Do not give up and change the way, change the things, change it. You could change it. If you don't like the way that you look, you don't like the way that you're feeling, the way that you're acting, change it. You could change anything. You could change anything and everything at any time and at any place. But just once you want to, and once you really want to, that is when you will do it. I have to challenge myself every day. Alright everybody, we are now getting home. We just finished the video right now. This is where the video will be going and coming to an end. I just want to say I appreciate you guys for listening to me and watching today's video. With that being said, fear being average, do what they want to achieve what they can't, and continue to just get the things done that you know need to be done.